Hello, welcome to Excel pivot table and pivot chart tutorial from skillsondemand.online. First of all, thank you for showing interest in this course. Pivot table and pivot charts are one of the most powerful features of Microsoft Excel, which allows the users to represent numerical data in graphical representation so that the end user gets a better view of the information discussed. In this course, you will learn the Excel pivot table and pivot chart function in detail. We will help you understand how to present your data graphically on a dynamic chart, graph or 3D map to make the information appear in a simplified manner. This course is structured into 8 chapters and you will learn all the aspects of pivot function. From this course, you will learn the top 30 functions and formulas used to pivot your data. You will learn the importance of data types, point of view and end user. You will also learn how design, style elements and format accents of Excel 2016 are applied on your charts and graphs and 3D maps. You will learn to customize charts using elements like layout, axis, grid lines, spark lines, trend lines and error bars. You will use the dynamic graphical representation to display your complex data in an impressive way with a 20 plus different chart types. So what are you waiting for? Let the show begin!